mà hi kia đã sang tệ cái này sẽ chịu của
một
ai rồi là có mà ai rồi cái này mà background là cho mining engineer cái này cho mining engineer cái này Mizoram mà lẽ có cái GC đấy cái của cho chú của cái này Ministry of Finance Government of India cái này có cho Manipur Pu Valtea all of it stuff so the social activists there you keep better than part of to think hey what's so many here hey so more you think of cái chăm chả lại cái cái ra khẩn về tụi nó nó khẩn về tụi nó bên mình belum PBN saya tidak Twitter dekat laut dia mau kalau ni itu na Manipur
presiden ulang di luar mo presiden ulang masih assembly suspend luar tu nak ko MLA ani reng nanti kau kan kau ngolong tu nak ani jadi suspension
jadi itu strictly speaking president rule anti law strictly speaking president rule anti law tu Mizoram apa yang kau tahu orang tu bank manager ni which year 2009 and 10 lah. I saw lah tu. Sampai kau, kerana kau. Good. Tu kalau bukan tu kalau. Bukan tu kita. Tuan yang kau ni sila kan Mizoram tu na. Then ini special meeting. One last question more. What is actually your aspiration as a politician for the zone Hazara in Manipur? Separate administration straight away or something?
But I will make communicate between Mizoram yes, Mizoram and I like to make it
But then, practically, what I try to understand from all the movement we made, our brothers from Manipur, we wanted to have a separate administration that is independent of Manipur government. Not independent. Separate from Manipur. You think it is really possible? Okay, forget about politics. Is it possible? It is really possible for so.
It is possible
Yes.
when Mizoram is going there.
What type of support you need from Mizoram? From Mizo people? Brotherhood is okay. Then what else?
And share settlement from
So you are more inclined to much nearer to Mizoram government than Manipur government.
why not? We are same
Yes.
same partner, same people.
Right.
Yeah, we are same to not only digital.
Spiritual,
There's a photographer.
psychologically, socially, culturally.
We are the same pattern of warning of humanity.
Kalau belum hai the viewers the mela milo into the tana kan se tu Pu Valtea ya Pu Valtea minister nim ka
Last term was tribal affairs.
Tribal affairs? Okay.
And this time he was advisor to CM.
okay advisor to CM which is equivalent to minister
Yes, sir.
Pu Valtea ya zo na tha Pu ki zo MLA som kan netro
Mizo, 10.
ko ten ne ta
Mizo.
he is a second time third time MLA
Third time.
MLA so ani phei to kon the damin
Senior most.
oh senior most
Senior most from tribal.
okay from tribal and itlane chu vain tu na sekha ino kha felo mai thea mizo de na a message se ve no chu Mizoram in Mingai Saxelatro, Sokar in Mingai Saxela, Mizoram Pitapon. Una Takamin and Selatro, you find in the National Kanduni, Kita Maro to Kilpakas of what I want to ask you again is that Mizoram Tindu Twanglo, was a Manipur on Nibu.
Mizoram, if it is possible, if it is possible.
You don't mind to be a part of Mizoram?
Yeah.
Tell me.
I don't mind to be part of Mizoram.
Then Manipur.
We are more convenient. We are having more convenient.
Tuan Pu Valtea tu kan share the green zone have ministers and pelmelazing as in there where by Tunan is to minister Kaloni Trina so advisor to Siemania tuna message pun ku ji ka kon se go to kan unau te India country embassy min lavin party zone na ami malang tuan pro as an individual ani na so tu Mizoram kan hai zo ka Mizo kan ne kan belo hai zo ka su bani Manipur tang hangai ko Mizoram sarkar ko am ta ko adu gel ni pro
In the religious we are the same. In the religious we are the same. In practically we are the same person, same fellow.
kini Mizoram we people from Mizoram also we feel so close so responsive to when you call yourself Mizos or say you want to be a part of Mizoram it touch our heart okay it touch our heart so that is very important more the message is very important so anu tro abin nge han feel message han say that hey kan abot na Mizoram ni puitne na initially
hlauh kat kan dia mo eng kima Christian po kan dia tu kan tu kan dia mo tuna Manipur trangin minno chuaka tuna kan mabantu Mizoram le mo in nai deu kan tu ni in nai deu kan
ate pe jun Mizoram om
ate Mizoram kan om tu ni kan
okay tu kasi du bang ni pakata in ama he veteran ba aparu reo mo aparu reo chu ba chu ni
an mari po chalo
me very chapa kalom pa jong ni photo sa
kallo